Hi, Daisy. We're looking for a healthy snack before the big game.
Something with lots of vitamin C.
Oh, I have just the thing. I'm making frozen orange cups.
How did you make them?
Oh, they're real easy to make. You take 4 oranges and you slice off the top. Kids, have an adult help you with this snack. Then you spoon out all the pulp into a bowl. Then you're gonna pour the mixture into the blender, like this. Along with 4 cups of orange juice, and mix well. Then you're gonna pour it back into the oranges. Just like that. You're gonna put them in the freezer for 2 to 3 hours. Then you want them to soften for about 5 minutes, and there you have a healthy snack. They only have 50 calories and are high in vitamin C.
This tastes great, Daisy.
This is going to be perfect before the big game.